Today, I would like to talk about mini LED production process and high-density mounting board repair solution that utilize our IH reflow technology. First, let's talk about our business model. We started as a company developing 3D plastic touch panels. As a method of connecting the panel and FPCB, the conventional ACF cannot be used because it requires heat and pressure. However, that turned out to be a great opportunity for us to discover IH reflow technology and made it into a device. Using this technology, we received the adoption of NITO, New Energy and Industrial Technology Development Organization of Japan, and raised a development cost of $1.5 million to develop this solution. This time, we have made it possible to repair the smallest 0201 size, which is 200 micrometer by 100 micrometer size parts, on an electric board using our IH reflow technology. The applications to be repaired with this solution include mini LED displays, mini LED backlights, and even high-density mounting boards such as PC and smartphone boards. I will explain what is the difference between IH reflow, which is the key technology of this development, and the conventional soldering process using the soldering you know as an example. Soldering is the process of contact heating with a high-temperature soldering iron to melt the solder. On the other hand, in the right clip, our IH reflow is an epoch-making mounting technology that can be heated in this way. Instantly, damageless, spot, non-contact, and 100% yield. Component mounting is possible. I will explain the principle of IH reflow. Basically, it is the same as an IH cooking heater at home. And when an alternating current is passed through the coil, a magnetic flux line is generated. The mechanism of the IH cooking heater is that the heat is transferred to the metal pulp above, and the ingredients are boiled. In our IH reflow, metal terminals are the target. When the magnetic flux line hits the metal, Joule heat Q is generated on the metal surface, causing heating. Joule heat is expressed as Q equals V squared over R times T, and the lower the resistance value of the object, the higher the voltage, and the longer the time, the more heating is done. The main point of developing the solution is how small devices can be heated, and how the removed devices are transported. The solution is the application of nozzles. The nozzle concentrates the magnetic flux line generated by the coil, strengthens the heating force, and makes it possible to intensively heat only the target device. By making a hole in the center of the nozzle, the suction function is also utilized to complete the repair. Here is the image when repairing the conventional 2010 size LED. The magnetic flux line from the coil are concentrated by the nozzle, heated, and the device is pulled as it is. On the other hand, the special nozzle with suction function developed this time can heat and suck the 0201 device. On the right side is a system with upper and lower coils for heating small parts such as 0201 size and high heat dissipation boards such as multi-layer boards, glass, and ceramics. This is the positioning of the repair solution developed this time in the Mini-LED production process. Each separately made Mini-LED is mounted on the board in a company-specific way and is soldering in a solder reflow oven. After that, it goes through the inspection process, determines the defective product, and becomes the process of our repair solution. In our repair solution, developed this time, defective products are first removed by IH reflow repair machine, and then soldering is performed by our developed 60 micrometers Phi compatible solder bowl mounter or general purpose solder dispenser. Then, for component remounting, the chip is mounted with a general purpose chip mounter and finally heated with an IH reflow repair machine, remounted, and the repair process is completed. Currently, in order to reduce the development period and the cost, the equipment is separated for each process. But it is also possible to customize it according to the customer's request and integrate it as a machine. This is how the IH reflow repair machine works. The head moves to the specified defective LED address, heats it, sucks it, removes the LED, and carries it to the waste tray. This time, in addition to the development of the IH reflow repair machine, we also developed the solder bowl mounter equipped with a 60 micrometers Phi solder mounter. We will also support the integration of your machine, so please consider applying this technology to your repair process of mini LED displays, mini LED backlights, and high-density mounting boards such as PC and smartphone boards. Thank you for watching.